Safemoon could be listed on Robinhood very soon if this petition goes through and Robinhood actually listens to its consumers. There's been a lot going on with Safemoon in the past couple of weeks and even months, and we haven't covered it in quite some time, so I'm back with another update. Make sure to watch to the very end of this video so you don't miss any of my analysis on Safemoon, but other than that, let's get right into it. Alrighty guys, here we are with Safemoon. Wow, it has been quite some time since we've made an update video about this coin. There's a lot that has happened in just overall the last couple of weeks and even months. It's been a wild ride for sure. And I'm sure a lot of you Safemoon Army, you guys are holding on and waiting and patiently, being aware and hodling, of course, of everything going on with this coin. So let's just get right into it. What's going on right now? And we're going to talk a little bit about that Robinhood, overall that petition that I think is really getting a lot of traction and steam online. And we're going to get into that, of course. But let's go right here. As you can see here, liquidity about 59,381,267, up just about 0.46% on this graph over the past couple of days. And then as you can see here, trading volume is down about 21% over the past couple of days. Unfortunately, of course, volume is a heavy driver of price action, but we'll go into the deeper parts of the chart here in just a moment. I want to go on Safemoon on coin market cap, of course, down overall price-wise about 2.55% at the 0.000002722 level. This is a significant pullback, of course, from the previous highs that Safemoon was once trading at. And as you can see here, unfortunately, a lot of people are getting a little bit impatient with overall this price action that we can see here. Now, a lot of people, seem to be thinking that Safemoon is on a negative trajectory, and I mean, they're not wrong. It is on a negative trajectory right now, and it has not had a large, kind of increase or a large breakout in price over the pretty much almost 2 months now. It's been about 2 months that we've seen this kind of stagnation and just overall unfortunate kind of down crawl into the lower price numbers here on Safemoon. And a lot of people are a little bit worried about that because they're thinking, okay, like, are we running out of time? Is this it for the coin, or are we not going to be able to, make money on this coin? Is this going anywhere? And that question still kind of lingers in my mind as well, because sometimes I, look at these graphs and I think, wow, man, like it is not, Safemoon is not really recovering that well. Like, what is going on? But one thing you have to keep in mind is that just because a trend begins on any chart, whether it's in the stock market or in the crypto market, does not mean that that trend will stay that way forever, nor does it mean that this asset is now completely worthless and has no value. For the most part, this is healthy, right? Things have to pull back. At these levels we were trading at, this is very high, lots of speculation, lots of retail interest. In order for these levels to hold, it's difficult, right? Safemoon can't really do that unless it's backed, obviously, by not only the infrastructure, but as well just overall sentiment. And of course, sentiment, as it began to fade, the price began to do so as well. Just a little update there. I want to really make sure you guys are aware, though, I am not by any means against Safemoon. I don't have any ill will towards the coin. I like the coin, and I think that it can do really big things. I think a lot of people really like this coin, and I see why. It has a lot of potential in my opinion. I just want to make that clarification because I feel like every time I talk about a negative part of Safemoon, like for instance the downward trend we're seeing right here, people seem to think that I'm against the coin, but I swear I'm not. I enjoy the coin and I think it's a great project, and I think that overall it has a lot of potential. I don't hate it. I'm just pointing out everything that's going on with the coin, guys. So please take that with a grain of salt. Be aware of it and everything. You guys know. You guys are good. Now let's get into this petition, because this is what I really wanted to talk about. Safemoon on Robinhood. This petition has been going for quite a while now. It's been, if we can look at the date here that it was posted, it's been around for a couple of months now. And they've gotten quite a bit of signatures. They keep hitting all their goals, and they're getting close to the 7,500 one. As you can see here, get Safemoon cryptocurrency on Robinhood so investors can buy it on the platform and not have to make multiple accounts on other wallets and spread their information to other sources. Sign this petition to be a part of the journey. And even crazier too is, of course, there's always more people signing this petition right now. Absolutely crazy stuff, guys, and I really am looking forward to when this reaches their next goal. Now, what I'm really looking forward to, however, though, is when this actually is officially put into place. If it is, if Robinhood decides to listen to their consumers, which historically they haven't really done, but they do, however, have one of the most intuitive platforms in my opinion, and then they do have one of the most popular trading platforms in my opinion. If that does happen, and I will totally go out on a limb saying this, I think it will be huge for Safemoon. I think that Safemoon needs a catalyst like this. It needs to get into the public eye, and it needs to be easily accessible. That was the largest problem when we saw the original kind of hype coin run up just a couple of months ago, back in April, back in kind of May, you know, kind of in that area. A lot of these coins are not easily accessible. You have to go through a variety of different exchanges and different ways to get these coins and all of this stuff. And, you know, a lot of normal, average, everyday people don't have the time to do that. They don't want to learn how to do that, or they just get confused and don't do it in the first place, right? Robinhood is simple. Robinhood is easy to understand. Anybody can use it. It's the easiest brokerage to use. And I think that if Safemoon you know, increases its ease of access, its ease of holding, I think that would be a very great catalyst for them to work off of. So this is what I think about as far as this petition goes. I really like this petition. I hope that Robinhood listens. Please, Robinhood, if you're watching this video, obviously, please take this into account. And of course, you know, that I think that this would be a great thing for Safemoon. But let's get into the last bit of this video here. We're gonna wrap this video up here with the Safemoon daily report. Today, of course, is July 15th. There you can see the cross-reference there. And we'll do a little reading. Safemoon protocol is a decentralized finance DeFi token which utilizes a 10% tokenomics tax on each transaction. This tax is split between reflections on holders and LP acquisitions. Furthermore, a percentage of each transaction is burnt through the use of a burn wallet, which accrues and burns its reflections. The Safemoon team are working on a number of upcoming projects, including the Safemoon wallet, a hardware wallet, and a Safemoon exchange and Operation Phoenix. These are all some of the big things that they're working on right now. And if we look here from July 14th to the 15th, overall price action, we were looking on a very good upward trend here on kind of a more macro scale. Unfortunately, a little bit of a pullback here in just the last couple of hours, and we're kind of trying to recover here on this kind of reversal. Going down, we can see overall crypto markets are not looking too good, but interesting thing is Safemoon out of all of them is up about just 1%, while Dogecoin down 3%, Ethereum down 1%, Cardano down 1%, and Bitcoin down just about 1%. Overall crypto market view, as you can see here with all the different big market cap coins, extreme fear right now in the crypto market and greed. Now, I've seen other, you know, gauges that gauge fear that have been a lot kind of in the middle or maybe a little bit into the green. This says extreme fear, which I think is interesting that they would put that there. Safemoon versus the market, here you can see the price, the percentage change, just kind of some different metrics and things like that. Coin rankings, you know, overall hasn't really made a lot of moves, down a little bit on nomics, but who cares? Whales are neutral, negative 1.6 billion. Not too much whale movement either. Tokenomics burn and reflection per hour, sloth-like, so slowest we've ever seen it, unfortunately. And then overall, just technical analysis. Some calling it bullish on the 180 or 100-day MA, MACD, historical, bearish on the 50-day MA. We have strengthening, contracting, bullish, oversold, unfortunately, on the stochastic. And overall, guys, it's just very slow right now. There is a lot of slow movement, whether it's in the up direction or the down direction with Safemoon right now. So the big deal about Safemoon right now is patience. It's all patience. It's waiting, it's holding, it's waiting for more catalysts, it's waiting for more news to happen. And you're just being patient, you know, and educating yourself in the meantime, right? You're watching these videos that we make, that other people make on this coin, and trying to get educated on it and be aware. So hopefully this is helpful, guys. Hopefully I have earned your thumbs up today, and definitely make sure to subscribe. Other than that, that's pretty much it for Safemoon. I hope you earned your thumbs up. Please like the video and subscribe if you're new here. We talk about crypto, stocks, or anything having to do with money. So if that sounds interesting to you guys, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. If you guys want to pick up some free stocks with WeBull, check out our link in the description below where you guys can get 2 free stocks that are worth up to quite a bit of money for depositing a very small amount in their brokerage. You guys can also get access to our private Discord with the Patreon link in the description below. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.